Excellencies, because of want of time, I am just going to establish the fact that as an old man, a governor retired but not tired, that my brother here, my younger brother, is following. A man full of action in his days. And I handed over to him, and he's shaking Nigeria like this. Our prayer to God that he will end well. In my place, they say, if you see trouble, make you run for this trouble. If it's avoidable, avoid this trouble. I plead with everybody in this and inside this PDP, when you see wahala, they could use humility to avoid wahala. There is enough time to make reconciliation. The G5 says they are still open for reconciliation. And I believe that we can still reconcile. Like I said, Governor Wike and the G5, they don't want to be president of Nigeria. They have agreed to the fact that Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, our candidate, is our candidate. But they are saying what is fair is fair. Therefore, in the name of equity, I still plead with them to come and let us find solution before it's too late. Finally, they said this SIM project, it's not only SIM, it's inside the internet. This is the internet. This is the internet. When you put SIM, you have to enter internet before you can browse. Don't be so? You put SIM, search inside the internet, then you will browse. Then you will, God bless you all. Thank you.